Today in this video, I will show you one AI tool using which motion graphics will be really easy. You don't need to spend huge amount of time to create those graphics. So let me very quickly open one of the application which I'm going to show today. Using this app, we will be able to generate very good quality motion graphics. So currently this is the interface. If I click on get started, then it will log me in. So first time if you are using, you can use your Google credentials to log in. I have added one link in the description below. If you click on that particular link, then it will open this application directly. Now here we have this particular interface where you can do multiple things. Here it's mentioning that your motion graphic designer and how it works. There is also a short 3 minutes video you can watch, but after watching this video, you may be able to understand most of the things. So this is one part. Now, whenever we are going to generate any of these motion graphics, you can just type it here. So that's one way that you will be able to explain your requirement if you have a good prompt ready. But just ensure that your prompt is detailed and whatever you are looking for, that you are asking in this tool. Another thing you can do, if you already have an image available which you can use as a reference, you can click on image, you can upload that reference image or reference video, and based on that also it can generate. This is the second option. First one is you are writing your own prompt. Second one is you are giving certain reference. Let me show you the third one. And that's one of the good thing, that is templates. If you come here, there are multiple different templates are available, and using this template you will be able to work on. You can see multiple different options. Most probable way how we use different motion graphics, all those options are available here. You can pick any of them and then you can start working. For an example, if I click on this particular one, if I mouse over, you can see that entire graphic is visible, that how it will work. So if I click on it, then you will be able to click on remix. So what it will do, it will use the same design, but you will still be able to explain your requirement also. So let me do that. If I paste my prompt here, please help me to create a similar visualization covering project management process areas as per PMI standard. So what it will do, it will follow the same structure, same template, everything, only the content will be changed as per my requirement. Once you are generating, there are few of the options. First one is your aspect ratio. You can check. Currently it's 16:9. We'll continue with that. And what's the duration you are looking for? I think 15 seconds is fine for now. And one good thing is this particular option there, you will be able to select which specific model you want to use. So I'll continue with Sola, that's the default settings, but you can use Luna also, that's a new model they have added. Last one is color palette. In case you have any brand color, that also you can use. Here they're using a set of colors. If I am just continue with no colors, the same colors will be used, but you can also use your own set of colors. This is one. The right side also you can see the similar way, the aspect ratio, duration, everything is mentioned. Now if I click on this button, then it will start generating this visual for us. Okay, it took 2.5 minutes and then it generated this particular graphic for us. It covered all those process areas, initiating, planning, executing. So this is the way you will be able to utilize this particular tool. Now, few of the good option. If you are not happy with this content, you can regenerate it another time and it will not cost you any credit. 2 times regeneration are free. So that you can use. And once you regenerate, you can also see the versions. First version was the template, and second version, this is the one. So if you click on this one, so it will go to the previous version. So this was the first time we started, and then now this is the second version. So all those version wise you will be also able to check. So this is the way you will be able to generate any of the motion graphics. So this is one example. You can come to templates and there are loads of different options that you can check. Another very good option of this particular tool is maps. If I come here, maybe if I click on this one and then we remix and I paste my prompt here, generate a map render showing India first and then show all its neighboring countries with their respective flags. The video will be used to teach students about India and its neighbor countries. And here I'll use this time Luna as a model, and 9:16 is mentioned, 15 seconds is fine for us, and this is the way you will be able to see. Now, one good thing is there, you can come to this map style and you can select multiple different options are there. So you can select any of them. Maybe I'll click on this satellite one, and then let's see how it generates. I'll click on this particular button and it will start working. You can remember there are multiple channels in YouTube where they only work on these different map related videos, right? So this is the way you will also be able to maybe start a new channel. You can generate certain content using this particular tool, because it generates very good quality map renders. Earlier I tried a couple of times, and from that experience I'm telling, so this is working very good. Now, one thing we need to understand for the map render, normally it takes 6 to 7 minutes of time to generate because it requires good amount of processing in the backend. And in case you are generating a flat type of a map, there it will take 3 to 4 minutes. So that's the standard. In case it's taking more time, then it's a normal thing. So no need to worry on that. But this time it created very, very quickly. So this is the one it generated, and see what it generated. For every country, it's highlighting and then it's adding with the required flags also. You can see this is for India, then Pakistan, and then it started with China, but it could not complete the Bangladesh within this 15 seconds. So in that case, whenever you will regenerate, you can increase this particular time to 20 seconds, and then you can regenerate, and then it will get covered. There are multiple other options are available. You can see and you can just explore. All those options are available in the left pane. I will add one link in the description below. Using that, you can check out their paid plans also, and you'll be getting certain discounts if you're using that particular link. And whenever you will be creating your new account, you will also get some free credits to just try with. But after that, you may need to take a paid plan to continue generating in a larger scale. So let me know your views in the comments below. Also, let me know if you are looking for this kind of videos down the line, or any other topic you are interested and where I can help by recording certain videos. I have recorded another video recently covering how can you build your website, that too using AI, and that also within 10 minutes of time. Check out this video if you want to know everything about it.